Hi students, welcome to our channel Study with Posarla. Today I will come with another new trick. Multiplication of two mixed fractions. Multiplying mixed fractions whose fractional parts together total 1 and those integral parts are the same. Okay, fractional parts 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equal to 1 and integral parts same 6 and 6. Okay, first you will take same number. Okay, 6 into 6 plus 1. Next you will take integral parts 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 6 into 6 plus 1, 6 into 7, 1 by 4. 6 7 are 42 and 1 by 4. Another example, 5 into 1 by 4 into 5 into 3 by 4. Fractional parts addition 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 equal to 1. Okay, integral parts are same. So you will take 5 into 5 plus 1. Next 1 by 4 into integral parts 1 by 4 into 3 by 4. 5 into 5 plus 1, 6. 1 by 4 into 3 by 4. 5 6 the 30 and 3 by 16. Try this one and give in comment box. For more videos, please share and subscribe.